So, back down at York, we'll come and look at this Camaro, 6.2 litre V8 Camaro. Yeah, it's a Cat N repairable. It's basically got a bit of damage on this wing, bit looks of it, so let's have a quick look around it. There's actually not much wrong with this at all. Where should we start? Let's start here. So there's a bit on that bumper there, look. We've got some bits there, round here. And this here, look. Look, so I've put my fist at the side of it like that. Basically just wants knocking out that. There's not much wrong with this car at all. In fact, I actually drove it over here from being parked up. It is a left-hand drive. Let's get the engine up and have a look under here. Check that out. It sounds well. I think it's actually fitted with an aftermarket exhaust as well. We'll get around to that in a minute. But this is a weird bit. This is a weird bit. Sat in the passenger seat on the driver's side. So being a left-hand drive car. But I'll tell you what, inside, it looks well. It looks well. DNL. Do not lift. That's what that means. I think it looks well inside. Got your gauges down there, look. A few bits and bobs. We'll get it fired up in a minute or two. There's a lot going on at coparts at York today. We've got a lot of cars being checked over and sorted out. I'm going for the steering wheel, looking, it's not there. So that's the thing if you left-hand drive. But yeah, that's a right good valet inside. That bit. Wheels look good. Discs feel alright. 275 20s. SS model, eh? 64 plate. I think that puts it about a 14 reg, doesn't it? Look at that. 15 reg. So there's your exhaust. I don't think that's standard, is it? I don't think so, but it looks clean and tidy underneath, doesn't it? Look, got no oil or anything on the floor. I like it. Let's get around this side here, look. All looks pretty good, that, doesn't it? Again. Yeah, they feel alright then. This bodywork at this side here. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? That mirror, a little bit on that mirror there, look. But this is what you want to do. If you want an easy repair, this could be for you. It's not that bad, is it? Not that bad at all. I think it sounds a Cat N actually. I think it is a Cat N. So this is what most people want to buy and drive it away. Let's get it fired up, shall we? But like I say, this bit here, a bit of the looks to why it's here. Here's a lot number up here. There, look. So, accident. So that's what we can see, 6.2 litre SS. Of course we want to hear it start up, don't we? So it comes with 2 keys. We've got a immobiliser on it, which goes in the side of here. If you purchase it, that goes in there like that. Foot on the brake. Doors are open, it's telling the bonnet's up. You ready for this? Look at that. No warning lights on the dashboard apart from the seat belt. Paddle shift gears on this. This steering wheel looks very familiar to a Vauxhall Insignia steering wheel. Bluetooth stereo there. We've got all our gauges here, look. Oil's good. Temperature, oil pressure. water temperature, battery voltage is good. I don't think the fuel gauge will be good though, do you? But yeah, what a car. Let's go put the exhaust, let's go put this round near the exhaust, shall we? Sounds well that, doesn't it? Let's go put this thing on exhaust. My clamp, and we'll rev it up. Oh. Let's swap these things over. Oh, alright, mate. So. I'll look at the engine while we're at it. Sounds well that, doesn't it? Look at that. Purring. Could be a cheap car for someone, this. Booked at 30 grand, this. 30 grand. Sounds well that, doesn't it? So, if you're interested in one of these, there's not much more we can look at. It's clean, it's tidy, it runs and drives, and to be honest, if you've obviously been a member, you can check out its MOT history and stuff like that. Tax it, insure it. Maybe have to just pop that wing out a bit, because if you're going to drive it away or come and collect it, that needs to pop out a bit somewhere here, so you can turn the wheel. But apart from that, it's not a bad looking car, is it? What we'll do is add a few pictures. There's loads on coparts at York's page on this. There's about 12 days I think left on it, so got a good chance to get your bids in and everything else. It all looks pretty straight under the bonnet. Yeah, wings are bolt on and off. You just find another wing for it, couldn't you, if you had to? But I'm sure you could. Sure, a body shop can fix that, definitely. Or do it at home. Touch that bumper up. That's the only bit of damage I can see. That all lines up well there, look. Yeah. What do we think? Are you going to buy it? Are you going to be the Copart member that picks it up? So there we go. I actually saw that Aston Martin we did. I saw it disappear, so some lucky person bought that to fix up. I hope they get it sorted out. But this is a nice cat in repair for someone. Easy repair, easy muscle car, innit? It looks a monster, and I'm sure someone has some good fun in this. Right, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this little bit of a video, it's not as damaged as it makes out. It runs, it drives. I'll tell you what, I'll put my camera there and I'll reverse it back into where I got it from, shall I? So you can see it move. How about that? Let's do that, shall we? Let me clip that on there like that. So we're going to put it in that gap there, because that's my car there, look. Oh dear. There we go. Tell you what, I bet it's fun in bad weather, that. There we go. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in another video shortly. Bye for now.